Hello class. Today our topic for class is HTML working with text. I'm Kushagra Goel from IC College of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. We discuss the topic working with text in HTML with you. Our subject is web design, our subject code is KIT 401 and our university is AK. That is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. So let's start. Text formatting or working with text in HTML is that HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. Example is this text is bold, this text is italic, and this is subscript, and this is superscript. So, HTML formatting elements. Formatting elements were displays to display, designed to display special types of text. B tag is used for bold text, strong tag is used for important text, I is for italic text, EM for emphasized text, mark for marked text, small for smaller text, del for deleted text, INS for inserted text, SUB is subscript text, and SUB is superscript text. So HTML-B and strong elements. The HTML-B element defines bold text without any extra importance. Example is B, this text is bold. So, and the HTML strong element defines tags with strong importance. The content inside the typically displayed is bold. Example is strong, this text is strong. So next is I and EM. So the HTML element defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mood. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. The I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc. Example is this text is italic, so this will shown as italic. The HTML EM element defines emphasized text. The content inside typically displayed in italic. The tip is a screen reader will pronounce the words EM with an emphasis using a verbal stress. So it will be this text is emphasized will be this text is emphasized. So the next tag element is small element. So the HTML small element defines smaller text. Example is small, this one small text, small is closed. Then mark element, it defines text that should be marked or highlighted. Do not forget to buy milk in mark today. So this milk will be highlighted or you can say marked up. Next is del element. The element del elements will has been deleted from a document. Define that text that has been deleted from a document. Browser will usually strike a line through deleted text. That is example my favorite color is deleted blue and red. So this will not be shown, only this will be shown. HTML INS element. The insert element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browser will usually underline inserted text. Example, my favorite color is blue, etc. So it will highlight this. You can say underline inserted element. HTML sub element. The HTML sub-element defines subscript text. The subscript text appears half a character below the normal line, and it is sometimes rendered in a smaller form. Subscript text can be used for chemical formula like H2O. So here 2 is subscript. Example, this is subscript text. So this is and subscript will be smaller and in the lower text. Super is similarly for used for super text. So It is used as sub-element defines the superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes handled in a smaller font. Superscript text can be used for footnotes like www and 1. So this one is superscript. This is superscripted text. So this is and superscripted will be shown on the higher ground. HTML text formatting elements. So B defines bold text, EN defines emphasize text, I define part of an alternative voice or mode, smaller used for smaller text, and strong used for defined important text, sub used for subscripted text, sub used for superscripted text, INS for inserted text, DEL for deleted text, and mark for marked highlighted text. So these all were 9 important tags used in the text. Thank you class. This was for